Hello world, Darin Martineau, the CEO of Team Freedom. In this video, I'm going to show you a simple daily routine, and I'm calling it the 7-minute magical marketing routine, although it's going to probably take more than 7 minutes, but I'm just using it as a generic example to show you the results you can get, an example of the results that you can get. Now, I'm doing an income disclaimer here. I'm not promising you're going to make $1 million. I'm not promising you're going to make a penny. But if you do this, if you show up, you work hard, you're consistent, and you do the right actions, you're going to do really good. You're going to do really well. But I make no guarantees. But this is a hypothetical 7-minute routine. Although it would take longer, I'm going to use this as an example, breakdown of a marketing routine, your daily marketing routine. So I call it the 7-minute daily traffic routine. And it's a simple, repeatable system that builds traffic every single day. And it's going to snowball into what we're going to show you some of the results that you can get potentially. No guarantees, okay? Now, if you learn how to execute this traffic routine and then you repeat these simple actions daily over and over again, every single day, then traffic will grow automatically and passively. Okay. Now, in the first part of this, I'll say it takes a minute because it really does only take a minute, but I mean, let's say it takes you 5 or 10 minutes. Okay. It's not so much about the minutes. This is just a way to break it down, right? So, minute one or section one is send one email promotion out, blast it out to your list, okay? If you don't have a list, you need to build a list, okay? Because that's one of the most important things you can do. And all you have to do is copy and paste a swipe email, which I provide for you, and then you can just email that out, blast that out to a broadcast in your email broadcast in your autoresponder. Okay. Now, um, minute number two, we'll just call this section two. You know, it could take 1 minute, it could take 10 minutes. If you're slow, it could take 20 minutes. But the whole point of it is this is just a generic example, like I said, right? So in section two or minute two, you're going to submit one ad to a traffic exchange or a solo mailer, like a safe list. So what to do? You're going to log into your favorite traffic exchange or viral mailer of your choice. And if you don't know any on the inside, I'm going to give you a guide to tons and tons of them, okay? Hundreds. Now, you're going to submit one text ad or one banner ad or one solo ad, and you're going to use your tracking link. Now, you're going to keep 1 to 2 ads saved as presets so you can have this ready to go over and over again. Why it works. It builds long-term background traffic that piles up over time. Okay, minute number three or section three, right? Post one piece of content on social media. That would be like a video or a blog or article. Choose one platform like YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, whatever your favorite platform is. Mine happens to be YouTube. Uh, you're going to post something simple like this. Now, just like this video you're watching here. If you don't know what to say, just copy exactly what I say. Okay. Minute number four, you're going to rotate one solo ad or safe list email. So you're going to pick one safe list, for example, like Herculist or List Joe, etc. And you're going to send one solo ad out to this safe list, or use whatever daily credits you have, right? Then you're going to rotate between the safe list each day, and you're going to keep a notebook, either a physical notebook and or a notebook online. Now, why this works is because safe lists are one of the fastest ways to get immediate eyeballs, people looking at your ads. Now, section five or minute number five, check your tracking link for 20 seconds. Okay, you're going to look at today's hits, yesterday's hits, which source of traffic is performing best for you. Why it works? Because you instantly know what is working and where to focus more effort. For example, if Herculist is working better than List Joe, go with Herculist, right? Minute number six, reply to one lead or one comment, maybe on a video. For example, you reply to a Facebook comment or a YouTube comment, And that only takes you like a minute to do that or a couple minutes. Then you could send a message or an email to a new subscriber, like a welcome them on your list, like a personal one. Personal ones are so much better because they're not just a canned response, right? Answer someone's who asked for more information or asked you a question. Okay, you can have message templates that you can build up. Minute number 7 or section 7. Okay, this is a 30-second mindset review. Say this or write this down. I take daily action. Traffic grows when I stay consistent. Every day I am building momentum. Okay? Then close this up. Now, the next day you're going to repeat this daily traffic routine. I use this example of like what I'm talking about here. I use this as a generic example because it may take you longer than these 7 minutes in this example. It may take you longer, but this is just a generic example. But here's some of the results you can expect based on those 7 minutes of what we just said, right? If a marketer does this incredible routine every single day for 30 days, this is the results you can expect based on that. And that was with the numbers very low, sending one out, one out, one out, right? I'll do it and I'll send. You can 10x this, you can 20x this, whatever you like to put in, however many hours a day you'd like to put in. You can work for 7 minutes or 7 hours, whatever you'd like. Okay, so it's very flexible. Now, if someone does this awesome routine, what are the results they can expect? First, you're going to get 200 to 600 plus emails sent. Okay, within 1 month. Next, you're going to get 30 plus social posts. Okay, the next result, you're going to get 20 to 30 plus safelist blasts going out every month. Next one, you're going to get continuous daily traffic that's going to compound on each other. The next one, you're going to have multiple uh, landing pages that are tested because you want to have like a bunch of different ones that you split test. And then you're going to have dozens of leads entering the funnel, and then you're going to have higher conversion rates because of the follow-up and because of the tracking, and then it's a repeatable habit that compounds over time. So this is exactly how a beginner marketer can start to see real results fast. So if you would like to get my free funnel, and I'm also going to throw in a free bonus of 50,000 visitors, you can send it to any website you'd like. Just put in your name and email, click on the link, put in your name and email, and then you want to double opt in, you want to verify. And as soon as you do that, you will get access to the 50,000 visitors for free to any website that you'd like. And you also are going to get access to my Team Freedom funnel where I show you how to get traffic, the best affiliate programs to promote, and so much more. So thank you very much, and we'll see you on the inside.